Hello everyone! I'm happy to introduce you my new video course, How to Sew a Flared Chiffon Dress. I've already shown you a similar black dress. It consists of the 4 gores. Each gore is 1 meter wide at the bottom. A lot of people asked me to show how to make such dresses, so I've decided to make this video course for you. First, I want you to have a look at the dress while I'm wearing it. And then I'll put it on the table to show you the wrong side of it. In the course, we show you how to make such dresses on the basis of the basic patterns. The basic pattern we work with is made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. We show you how to draw all the needed lines, how to flare the details and cut them. We also show you the cutting, taking, fitting, and stitching. We show you all the needed techniques in detail. The seams were stitched with the French seam. The bottom was edged with the baby hem. The dress is of a very high quality. Having bought the course, you'll be able to sew amazing flared dresses. Have a close look at the way the dress fits me at the bust. It is close-fitting on the bust level and flared down from it. If you flare a dress from the very top, it will be baggy, and it will make you look much bigger than you really are. Due to the fact that the dress is close-fitting at the top and flared at the bottom, it makes me look slimmer than I really am. Wearing such dress, you would look like a queen. We'll show you how to make both the underdress and the main dress, and how to stitch them together. We'll show you what to pay attention to, how to stitch the seams, and how to alter the details. In the course, we show you the sewing of this dress from the beginning to the end. As I've said, we show you everything in detail. I've taken the dress off and put it on the table to show you its wrong side. Have a close look at the bottom of the dress. Each gore is 1 meter wide at the bottom. That makes the dress 4 meters wide in total. The bottom was edged with a baby hem. The underdress is just slightly flared. It's edged with a baby hem as well. Notice that there is no overlocker stitching in the dress. All the seams were edged with the French hem. We show you the making of each detail very thoroughly. The seams in the underdress were edged with the French hem as well. The bottom in the both dresses were edged with the baby hem. Have a close look at the upper part of the dress. You've seen that the dress fits me perfectly. Notice that there are no seams on the right side of the dress here. We've sewn the shoulders by hands. You can stitch them if you want to. Notice that the neckline and the armholes were edged with the bias binding. As I've said, the underdress is flared less than the upper one. I hope that you like the design. This is a high-quality dress. Having bought the course, you'll be able to sew such amazing dresses for yourselves, your kids, your friends and customers. I want us to be different and beautiful every day. My name is Irina Paukšte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.